here.
Let's see, a little bit over there, over the house.
It's glowing. Sort of. They're so loud they can be heard from over here.
Yeah.
God, what the hell?
That sounded like that might have been a gun.
Yeah. Don't do that.
Look, someone's got a light going.
Where? What?
They had a light front.
Yeah, I know. I saw that before you did. Oh, God. I wanna... I love New Year's. I hate the fact we don't have fireworks, though.
We'll do something next year, I promise.
Okay. Thanks, Mom. I'm the only one who heard that kid, probably. Oh. Oh, thank God. New Year's.
Oh, there's some over there. Above the house.
There was a big one and I missed it.
Happy New Year.
So cold.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just... They're loudest over there.
Yeah.
Thank you for warming me. Okay, let me go. Oh, God. Stop it. Oh, thank God.
Ricky's at.
Oh, no. I hope he's okay.
We've been here long enough. He'll be okay.
What's going on over there?
Oh, you can see clear over there. Way back there. Lit up the sky back there.
I missed it. Hey, Mom, you got me gloves, right? You go get me the gloves.
I want you back up here, though.
Okay. Can you put it on for me?
Got it?
Uh-huh. Thanks, Mom.
Yeah. So aren't you glad I got these for you?
Hell yeah. Oh, my hand is freezing.
There you go.
Thank you. That was awesome.
It's gonna start settling down soon. Sweetie.
I know. I would zoom in, but
I mean, there will be some people that do this throughout several hours, but you're not going to be able to see much.
damn it.
Don't get too far away.
Sorry.
Here in about 6 minutes, we're going to go in, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's head in.
Happy New Year's.